Hey guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look, it's pretty simple. It's minimal work. I think it takes like 5 minutes. Just hang on to the video and keep watching. Yes, and I am Angie. This is the Diaries channel. Be sure to subscribe. Yeah, and you can comment down below if you have any questions, or you can head over to my Instagram page. It's Angie Diaries. Yeah, ask me whatever you want to ask me concerning this look. Yes. Hi guys, welcome to the Diaries channel. I'm Angie. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, like my daily makeup tutorial. Yes, so and I have a mini flu, so I might sound a bit different. I hope you all don't mind. So yeah, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial, my daily makeup tutorial. Yes, I hope you all enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe as well. So let's head over to the video. So first, okay, normally I don't even do my eyebrows, so I'm not doing them. So first we're going to start with the primer, which is elf primer, this elf primer. Wow. It feels so good. Feels so good. It's not creamy, it's not oily, it's, I don't know, it just has this matte fin, okay, not really like a matte finish, but it feels like a moisturizer somehow. But yeah, it feels so good, so good. So normally, because I have quite a couple of dark spots on my face, I usually go with this concealer, this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I mix these two. Yes, I mix these two concealers. This is the Fawn and this is the Espresso. So I mix these two and then I apply them on the dark spots. Yeah. So yeah, then I am using this Fit Me Maybelline foundation. It's matte and poreless. Yes, sometimes I like matte because I think I have oily skin. Yeah, and it's such a hassle when your skin starts getting cakey and it's not interesting at all. So yes, we're going to be using this matte and poreless. I haven't used a matte foundation before, so most of the times I use the creamy ones. So let me try out this one. I hope it works for me. Okay, one thing that I don't like about this is that it doesn't have a pump, so it's like doing this and this. But anyway, by the way, don't put, oh, I don't put a lot of foundation on my face. Once I've like put the pro concealers, like the illegal pro concealers, I don't put a lot of foundation on my face, just a bit to, you know, to put on that. Yes, I don't go all the way, like, so that, yes, I, okay, at the same time, hata nikipaka makeup, I want it to look more natural, you know, like, it's, it doesn't get too obvious that you've applied makeup. That's why I don't even do my brows sana sana. Actually, I don't do my brows at all. So I just apply the concealer, the foundation, and a bit of eye drama, lip drama. Yup. Oh my god, this flew though. So make sure you blend it all, especially here around these areas. Make sure you blend it quite well, and here, yeah, make sure you do it so well. I'm normally so keen with these areas. So yes, that's how. I think I like the foundation. It, it looks quite good on me. Yeah, and it's matte. It's quite matte. It's, there's minimal transfer. So now we're going to the eye. Like, okay, I normally use this carding. Yeah, I use this carding, and first I'm going to be doing, just making it a bit dark. I don't know, I just love this cutting instead of the brush. I just don't know why. I feel like it blends quite fast, and its application is quite easy. You know, it's just doing this and spreading the product all over the eyelid, you know. I am more into gothic looks than all pink, all yellow, and those shouting colors. I don't do all that. I just do something really dark most of the times, especially on my eyes. I on my eyes I do something really dark, and then maybe put like a shimmery shade like towards the tear dot na ukumbele. So yes, that's how dark I like it. So upper, I'm going to be using, I'm using like a really a dark shade of pink to get in here. Yeah, now I'm doing my lashes. Yeah, I don't put on lashes, I just go with this mascara. I'm done with my eyes. I am going to be, now it's the lips. I'm going to be applying this of colors lippy. It's red, maroon one. Yeah, in most cases when I'm applying a lipstick, I go by the nail polish, and most of the times I normally have a red nail polish most of the times I love red so much. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Yeah. So yes, this is the final look. Yeah, and I think I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, so my hair is natural, so I normally use curl formers. Yeah, and I don't do anything much with it. I just like playing around with the curls and all. Yeah, so this is the final look. Oh, and for my under eye, I used like the kawaida David pencil, the black one. Yes, I used that one because I have like some really heavy eye bags, so I tend to like to use the dark one more. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, so let me know whether you would want to see a tutorial on how I get the calformers to do this job on my hair. Yes, so like, share and subscribe. Yes, and until next time, bye guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you something. Oh yes, I didn't apply the powder after the foundation because I feel as if the foundation is really matte and it's gonna last me like the whole day. But yeah, of course I'll definitely carry a powder with me because yeah, you know, the essentials, the powder, and yeah, and by the way, afterwards I did complete the look with a finishing spray. This is the NYX finishing spray. It's really nice. It gives you that glow, that yeah, you see it. Yeah.